All right, guys, we are very excited today because we got an idea from you. Yes, you, the viewer. Somebody left us a comment. They said, do the don't break the episode that you guys do with a normal board, except for do it with a tech deck. So yes, that's right, young Kyrie. We're gonna see if this will go through the abuses that a normal skateboard would go through and see if it will break. You think it'll stand to the test?
Yeah.
You know what the Dennis Seamoff is?
No.
Okay, let's see if it will handle the Dennis Seamoff.
Nothing survives Dennis.
Nothing survives. Yeah, you think this will withstand a giant metal door dropping
You
onto
guys
it?
gonna use that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not gonna stand a chance.
No?
We got to do the glow wall challenge outside.
Yeah. Like this. Okay, but then I did a super sick trick. You ready for this?
Rad trick. Oh, did you see that?
What is that, like gazelle?
Big spin.
Oh, kind of like
All right, come on, do a kickflip, do a kickflip.
Show the people what's up. Wow. Okay, give me a big spin.
You are so good, Aaron.
I know. Okay, if I land it right here, you owe me a Jamba Juice. Deal?
Okay.
Oh! Played!
Okay, so we're gonna put these through to the test. So all the tests we put a normal board through. So I think the first test, you know what it is? The chip test, right?
So far,
Nothing. I mean, these are made of plastic. Okay, you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Did it hit the wheels? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was solid.
What is going on here?
Aaron, these things are indestructible. I think we might have met our match.
Okay, but you know how we like push up to the cement wall and like toss it in?
Oh!
Oh, what? Literally nothing.
The truck's gonna break off before anything.
Wow, okay, that was solid. Solid as it gets. Oh, this is onto wood though. You need to go outside and do it on the cement? Why is it always raining in the Bay Area these days?
Leave in the comments below.
Okay, I got it. Tech deck in the streets?
Whoa!
No!
It busted the wheel off.
You were right.
Not the wheel.
Okay, so one wheel down. Why is it so stupid looking? Okay, that was as solid as it gets. Nothing.
Indestructible.
Shout out Tech Deck.
All right, should we do the waterproof test?
Yeah, what's that?
Put it under the sink.
Put it in the puddle?
Dude, this water is freezing. You lost the wheel.
I'm shredding outside, don't even matter. Tray flip in the rain. Oh, I almost did one. 3 shove? 3
Oh!
shove? 540 shove?
It's starting to come down. Water test.
Oh, those power slides. Frontside power slide. Oh.
All right, so what do you think? Passes the waterproof test?
10 out of 10. The grip tape didn't even get too wet. I mean, it got wet, but it didn't really matter. You know what I mean? Still has grip.
How's it feel waterlogged now?
Just don't waterlog.
Oh.
This is the world's most indestructible skateboard.
If you go off the top of the vert ramp, big metal to the middle of that, I think you're gonna have more of a hard time landing on top of it.
Dennis Seamoff?
What?
The machine door, it's gonna break it.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
That's gonna be intense.
Dennis Seamoff versus Tech Deck. We need a rail. We need the front lip test. Well, now the grip tape's all wet. Okay, front lip for days means nothing. 3 wheels, don't matter. Front lip test is usually what breaks things.
Done.
Break the rail.
Well, thank you, Ollie. Yeah, get it.
Go on this side, can you?
No, you go on this side.
Alright.
Ah! Wow!
What were you thinking?
I left a mark.
Did you? Nah, Cap.
We need graphics like that, AK. You scratch it?
There's no damage to this.
I love how he's like,
I like it. You should do that with the rail.
nothing. Clearly indestructible.
Okay, give me some tricks, Kyrie.
First try. Okay, so it still skates.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with
So
it.
clearly we're failing.
Okay, you ready? We're gonna drop an entire set of stairs on this board.
He missed it.
How did I fully miss that? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a direct hit.
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing? Let's try this.
Wooden wedge ramp.
This is actual real wood. Handmade in Germany. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Direct hit. And you would not be able to tell, maybe just an ever so slightest scratch on the grip tape. Nothing. Made in China. Still clearly available. Okay. I'm amazed.
Come on, you running out of ideas already?
What else have we got for this thing?
You got a metal pipe right there.
Metal pipage?
So down there, watch your fingers. I love how we just cut this. Why did we cut this off anyway? You ready?
Count down.
3, 2, 1.
Take that!
We did not even need the machine door.
Oh, we're doing the machine door.
It just sliced it like a butter knife. Look at that. That was a direct, okay. That drop was incredible. Am I wrong?
Good drop, man. Well done. Clean break.
Don't break the tech deck.
We're not done yet.
Done broken.
We're doing the machine door.
Well, we could do the machine door with this guy?
Yeah.
You're gonna
You
off
sure?
the top rope in the vert ramp?
That's the plan. This board is legendary though. We can't just be breaking that. Oh, big spin, first try. Leave it in the comments below if you're a better tech decker than Aaron Cairo, sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. I never said I was a tech decker. Whoa, did you see that?
That was not bad.
Okay. Oh. Please tell me you got that. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Your skills are unbelievable.
You ready?
Yep. Dude, how did you do it? 4 foot, 4 foot? Oh, legend!
I don't think I won't.
You won't. Bring Dennis up there while you're gone. He's dropping in on vert with the fingerboard.
So he's gonna slide down too.
I think so.
Okay, now that I'm up here, it's actually pretty scary.
Put the safety glasses on. You'll be safe.
It's true, I do need that.
First try! That is exactly how I wanted you to do it. You passed every test.
Nailed it. Now straight to the big guns?
Yeah, it might take a few tries to get it.
So I mean, the whole purpose of this video was to see if a tech deck could withstand this.
I mean, to be fair, nothing can. You see, it's called Dennisima.
Yes.
Hey, you think I'm safe right here?
I have no idea. The poor fingerboard is all alone with nothing to protect it.
Dude.
Between that and sudden obliteration.
Okay, you ready?
Are you?
Yeah.
Nothing survives Dennis.
You ready?
Are you?
3, 2, 1.
You missed it.
Oh! He missed it, huh?
Dang it. You ready?
Yeah, count it down.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, Aaron. Okay, go ahead. Count it down.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Direct hit!
Where'd it go?
Where'd the board go?
Where'd it go? It's gone.
That might be the single greatest clip.
Does it focus?
Look at it! It's right there!
Oh!
We gotta find the board.
All right, Aaron. Let's see the results.
We could only find half. The other half is somewhere in outer space. But look at that. The Dennis Seamoff hit right there, right in the center. And
Crushed it.
how good was that aim? Could not have been better. Straight down the middle, just boom. And it just completely obliterated it. That is wild. Just took that plastic and just melted it into the next dimension.
Fantastic aim, my friend.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're making these to inspire you, yes you, to get out there and learn how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.
You know, this also proves our board breaking methods are beyond just skateboards.
It
They're
goes
universal.